Strategies for normal delivery. Avoid stress to possess normal delivery. The first of all arrives to avoid stress. During this period you've to steer clear of all kinds of worries, stress, or an excessive amount of observations, as stress can lead to hinder proper progression of the infant. Breathing techniques while pregnant. Along the way of delivery, one should hold their breath every so often. Start practicing the breathing techniques from now only. Apply for counted breathing technique, meaning count gradually as much as 3 or 4 when you breathe, as this helps in holding your breath, or consider the term relax while breathing and don't consider other things. A nourishing diet. Diet clearly can alter the right path from caesarean to normalcy delivery. A wholesome mother is capable of giving an all-natural birth more easily and with no complications. Clearly nutritious and healthy food choices is needed for a proper progression of the infant. Eat correctly and properly. Drink lots of water because this could keep both you and your baby hydrated, and can include eco-friendly leafy vegetables and fruits in what you eat, because this will give you using the fundamental nutrients towards the baby.